If you're tired of reaching into your cabinets every morning for a coffee mug or water bottle, only to knock them all over, then you're going to want to stay through to the end, as I'm going to show you footage of how the ClearSpace water bottle organizers work and how I've used these in my clients' kitchens. I'm Sylvie, a home organizer, and these ClearSpace water bottle organizers store your bottles horizontally and allow you to see what you have without creating chaos in your cabinets. Best of all, they help you keep your bottles and all your accessories together, which make the put away easier. I was super excited to find this brand. Not only are they well made, but they're of great value. I used to order a competitor's brand for my clients, and while the acrylic material was a bit nicer, they were pricier and took up a good chunk of our budget. Unless you're looking to stick to one acrylic brand for your entire organization project so that everything's in the same tone, these are sturdier and do the exact same thing for a fraction of the price. If you want to get your kitchen organized, start with the ClearSpace water bottle organizers.